What if other planets replaced our moon? Well, if there's the moon, there will be relatively simple. So it will be small and we will feel like a normal day. And how about if we replace it with Mercury? Still is small, but Mercury isn't that small as the moon. So that means there will be higher tides, you know what I mean? And we'll jump to Mars cause he is my favorite. And if Mars replaced our moon, it will be sucking, you see what I mean? Because Mars has two moons and if he comes, his gravitational pull will pull his moons. And how about if we replace the moon with Venus? So it will be much larger Venus, but it has no moon. So that will be okay, but the tides will be still much bigger than with a normal moon because Venus is larger than the moon. And the last gas giants, we couldn't see them because they are too far away. So yeah, that's it friends. Stay tuned for more.